So my talk this morning is about synergized, virtualized, crowdsourced, agile testing in the cloud as a service. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little bit of foolishness, and then I'm going to say it's time for no more fooling around. So first thing I want to say, I did some research into this. I thought they said the algae appliance. It turns out to be the Agile Alliance that I was supposed to be thinking. Some friends of mine are working on converting algae to oil. It's a sort of interesting kind of thing. Anyway, so when a manager asks you to show him your test cases, ask him to show you his management cases. That's what I say about test cases. There we go. Is that going to make things happier? So the camera's good? Okay, won't be so boomy. So when a manager asks you to show him his test scripts, asks you to show his management scripts. When he insists that every test should have an expected predicted result, ask him if every management action should have an expected predicted result. When a manager insists we lower the cost of testing by bringing in test automation, ask if we can lower the cost of management by bringing in management automation. To everybody who wants a common testing language, bear in mind the Oxford English Dictionary has 8 different definitions for standard in it. Plus, how's that Esperanto thing going? Is everybody happy with that? Is that working well? When you standardize your approach at testing, you'll find only the bugs that have agreed to follow the standard. So that's what I want to say about standardization. Let's look at the role of humans, though. Humans are proof that a finite number of monkeys can write all of Shakespeare's works, and without a typewriter, right? He didn't have one on M, and there's only one of him. So if you're a tester struggling with finding your role on an Agile team, it's okay. You're not on an Agile team. And in fact, if you're a tester struggling to find his role or her role on any team, remember that's the first problem that a skilled tester sorts out. Today, I mostly want to talk about skill. A little more foolishness, and then we'll move on to skill. If you're in a blaming culture, make sure to find and punish the people who are responsible for setting it up. Man. For valid, predictive software development metrics, you need a stable team and a stable project. So there you go. There's a stable situation there. All right, so